Maybe if I just turn it upside down, that would be easier. Shake, 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 shake. Woohoo! We got it! Hello, my name is Cindy and welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel. Thank you for watching. Companies keep delivering their latest products to us, and sometimes we do a dedicated video on them, and other times we include them in our unboxing ones. So I will open up all of them, and perhaps you could let me know in the comments below if there are any you would like to see a dedicated video on. Let's get started. All right, guys, so box number one. Let me just dig in here. Woo! It's like my birthday or something. I'm so excited. What is it? Ooh. Guys, look at this. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? This is awesome. This is none other than the Clickbot. The Clickbot. Oh my gosh. I want to open it up and show you how cool it is. But look even at the cover. This is, oh my gosh, these guys are amazing. Okay, let me tell you. This is the Clickbot. It's a modular robot that supports programmed and unprogrammed robot creations. Their slogan, because it does get amazing hits. But this is 1,000 robots in one. And they have pre-made ones, and then they also have ones that you can create using your own creativity. And it comes in 4 different configurations you can order. So you can actually have the starter kit, the standard kit, and we have the full kit, if I can open it. And you can order the maker kit, which comes with more pieces. And as you can see here, it comes with stickers, but it also comes with everything you see here. So there are 2 in 1 here. And it's basically an incredible option where you can build your own robot in 3 minutes. Create a little dog race, for example, a race car for all-terrain exploring, awake your robot friend and bring it alive without coding. How cool is that? You can tell people, I made my own robot. Nobody will believe you, but look, you can do it all here. It's fully programmable with a friendly drag and drop coding interface based on Blockly by Google rather. I'm so excited because it is global. It is something that you can create your own robots. I had so much fun like just doing the research on it. I was like, I can't wait to dig in. If you guys want to see a dedicated video on this, let me know, because it's a great way to turn your ideas into reality. Remember, click on the like button down below if you want to see more about this, if you love these kinds of videos. If you want to see me make my own robot, let me know. I definitely want to hear from you. So much fun. I can't wait to get started with that. All right. The next one, let's see what's in box number 2. Ooh. All right, guys. Who let me have this knife? Scary stuff, right? Okay, here we go. Ooh, look at that. We got some earbuds. Wow, check it out. So we have the actual earbuds. We have the caps for them. We have the charging station. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. Now these are Apollo Air Inc. ANC buds by Transmart, and they give you 5 hours of playtime on a single charge. It has active noise canceling technology that can eliminate 35 dB of noise, which is great. They have 6 microphones. That gives you crystal clear sound. And Bluetooth 5.2 for faster signal transmission and seamless streaming of music. It uses Qualcomm chips and provides the earbuds with exceptional sound quality. It's like you're actually there in person talking to the person or listening. You get lag-free sound with true wireless stereo plus synchronous signal. Sounds like a great earbud to take with you wherever you go. I'm all ears. How about you? Now these are true earbuds, not ear enemies. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, amazing stuff. Let's see what is in box number 3. All right, woohoo! We are just, actually, I think we're on the 4th box. Are we? Oh my gosh, I can't even keep track. No, it's 3. I am just so excited. Wow, guys. What do you think is in this box, huh? These are the 3rd box. A motion sensor light, another bright idea. Here we go, guys. Check it out. These bad boys right here are motion sensor lights. And they are by Vaunt. They come in a 3-pack. That's right, there are 3 of them. And they are great for your closet, as they can be stuck anywhere with their double-sided adhesive pads or magnets. Ideal to brighten up your stairs, your hallway, your cabinets, as they come on only when you're having movement or when it's dark. So they could be used as hallway night lights. And they're powered by 3 AAA batteries, so you won't be ever in the dark again. Now remember, click on the like button for this video. If you're liking what you see, it tells YouTube I'm worthy, and all the links are down below. You definitely want to do that for me so I can do more of these amazing videos, and you can let me know what you want to see. And if you have these, what are you doing in your home? I would love to hear from you and see what you're doing. All right, let's go to box number 4. It's a tall drink of water, this one, isn't it? All right, let's see, what is it? I'm telling you, we got some good things coming. Don't you love birthdays, Christmas, unboxing? When you can actually get it out of the box, that helps. This one's really stuck in there like swimwear. Hold on, I think I got it. Wait for it. Maybe if I just turn it upside down, that would be easier. Shake, 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 shake. Woohoo! We got it! All right, now let me turn it the other way, because that's where the handle is. And what is this? Well, the box says it's a smart humidifier. Awesome stuff. That's right, the SwitchBot Smart Humidifier. User manual, we don't need that. You have me. So check it out. We got our user manual. We got the actual humidifier. Now this right here is a SwitchBot Wi-Fi smart humidifier, and it provides a cool mist, which is great on a hot day like today. I don't know what it's like near you. Let us know in the comments below. But this is great for any room in your whole place. In your bedroom, I like it. It's an essential oil diffuser. It works with the SwitchBot app and thermometer to automate the humidity if the meter detects it being too dry in your room. Easily set a desired humidification efficiency from 1 to 100% in the app, or ask Alexa to set a comfortable humidity level for you. With a 3.5-liter tank, it can work up to 48 hours, and 360-degree rotating nozzle ensures that even level of humidity distributes throughout the entire room. So it is an awesome, awesome thing. As you can see, easy to disassemble and assemble. We have one more box. Oh my goodness, right? What is it? Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see inside box number 5. Woohoo! All right. We have, smart lighting. Look at that. What a colorful number. Now this is an LED strip light. That is very smart. Very smart indeed. It is by eColor, and it allows you to change color easily with 44-button remote. Check out that bad boy. Doesn't that look like the most amazing thing you've seen? Look at all these colors. The eco color, all the colors of the rainbow, right? So you can press each one of those 44 buttons. You get one roll of 16 feet LED lights to put in places like behind your TV. We like to do that here. Or that will actually act as backlighting, you know, so it's really cool. And then when you're watching sports, it just like lights up, and it's so cool. I have them under my cabinets too. They brighten up the kitchen. They give it a complete facelift, and it's a very inexpensive way to be able to radically improve that whole atmosphere. You can just put the LED stripes right under your bed and give your room an awesome glow. Just peel and stick the 3M adhesive tape, and the LED lights are ready to give you that ambiance to your room. Now, if you haven't already, remember to click on that like button. You can see more amazing products like these. And whatever you want to see next, let me know what you would like to see next. But don't go just yet, my friends. Have these videos here on the side that you can check out. The video on the top, that's our most recent one. And below that, that's my recommended video just for you. Please click on either one and check them out. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget, check out our website, HomeAutomationX.com. We also have awesome swag for you, so make sure you check that out, and we'll see you next time.